Hello, my Flower Glamorous family. Today, we're going to do a review on my Nordic bakeware. I have several pans that I use for baking my cake that I have purchased from Nordic on Amazon. I love Amazon. And these pans have been all that I want them to be and more. They are the best baking pans that you can find. And my cakes come out beautifully in these pans. But as we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to ring that notification bell, to give me a thumbs up, and to leave a comment down below. I hope that you enjoy my review on the Nordic Ware pans that I love dearly. Flower Glamorous family, these are the 4 Nordic pans that I use at least once a week. This one right here, the platinum, is my all-time favorite. You can bake angel food cakes in it, pound cakes, bundt cakes, whichever one you want to do. Look at the capacity to hold all that cake. Just look. You see right there, Nordic Ware. Pound cake and angel food cake pan. It holds up to 18 cups of batter. This pan right here, I use it all the time during the holiday. Do you see that beautiful bow on it? That is a beautiful bow. Now when you use this pan, when you use your spray, you need to get a brush and go into all those crevices and make sure everything is covered so your cake will come out. This here is a 4 capacity bundt cake pan. I love this. You can make 4 different small bundt cakes in this pan. And they have different designs on it. Just look at it. They are beautiful. And this is another one of my favorite. And all of these can be purchased on Amazon.com. That is where I got each one of these from. And this one, this is good for a little bundt cake. It is beautiful. Just look at it. Non-stick interior, and this holds up to 10 cups. It has a capacity of up to 10 cups. All of these pans can be purchased on Amazon.com. I love each and every one of them. I have baked countless cakes in each one of them, and they are well worth what you pay for them. When you're baking, you need to find good pans and stick with them. When you find a pan that bakes and your cakes come out golden brown, that's the pan you need to keep in your pantry, in your collection to bake with. This one right here, this platinum, is my all-time favorite. So I would like to say thank you to Amazon.com for these beautiful pans that I have purchased. I love doing this review. The cakes come out beautifully in these pans. So if you're looking for it, if your old tube pan done cooked out, or that bundt pan that you've had and you got from your mother and from your grandmother, and you know how they can look and get to where they can't cook anymore, go to Amazon.com and get you one of these Nordic Ware pans. You won't be sorry for the purchase. this is truly an awesome purchase. Once more and again, don't forget to hit that red button to subscribe to my channel, to give me a thumbs up, to ring that notification bell so you will get notifications when I upload new videos. And also to please leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about these pans. Tell me if you have one in your collection and how it works out for you. And again, God bless you all and have a blessed and prosperous day.